What's going on, YouTube? Today's video is going to be a demonstration on how to put the parking brake on a 2019 Ford Edge into maintenance mode. This also works on other Ford models that have the electronic parking brake. So first things first, you'll want to turn on the ignition. And if you have your parking brake applied, you're going to want to release that. So foot on the brake, press the switch. Now the park brake is off. Then what you want to do is you press the gas pedal all the way down, hold this parking brake switch down. I'm going to set my camera down for a second. But anyway, you hold the park brake switch down with your foot on the gas all the way, turn the ignition off and back on while still holding both items. And now the parking brake is in maintenance mode, as you can tell. So then, if you turn the ignition off, the warning will stay lit for a few seconds. To reverse this, ignition on, gas pedal all the way down. And this time instead, you want to hold the park brake switch up. Turn off the ignition, turn it back on. And the parking brake does a few cycles, and as you can see, it's back in working order. Park brake's on. I'm going to do one more test. I'm going to manually release and apply the parking brake. Everything works as intended. We're good to go. Make sure you smash the thumbs up in the face if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, do what you do best, and peace out until next time.